Hello everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I want to show you how you can customize or set up your date and time settings on POCKETBOOK Era. So first, go to apps, here go to settings, and now go to data and time. Here you can change your time zone, you can change your current date and time. You can also set up a 12-hour or 24-hour time format. You can sync your time, and you can also turn on automatic time sync. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.